Hello there, my name is Peter Thomson. I'm the world's most prolific information product creator, and over the last 27 years, as I've been helping coaches, consultants, speakers and trainers, I've been creating informational products like they were going out of style and helping people to share their knowledge, experience and expertise by them making informational products so they could build for themselves businesses and lives of choice. And today, this is a fascinating idea and really gets us to take some great action. There are so many occasions when the ass in question comes into play that it may be happening for you, certainly happened in my life, or it may be something that will come about. The story goes about an ass called Buridan's ass. And this is named after the French philosopher Jean Buridan. He didn't write about the ass, but satirical writings about his writings made the reference to it. The paradox is, if it is a paradox, that the ass finds itself between two bales of hay. And I've heard different versions of this, that it finds itself between a bale of hay and a bucket of water. And looking at the one, it thinks, I think I'll eat the hay. Looking the other way, it thinks, I'll eat that hay or drink that water. And then it looks back to that hay and thinks, I'll eat that. And it keeps looking between the two, never making a decision which one to start with. And of course, you know what happens in the story. Whilst it's still got whatever it needs in front of it, it's got the water, it's got the hay, it's got the hay, it's got the water. It starves to death, and yet it's got the solution right in front of it. There it is. I've had that happen in my life, not starving to death, of course, as I'm sure you haven't either, but having two possible solutions where I don't know which one to pick. And I spend too much time looking between the two and never making a real decision. Let me show you a great cartoon. It depicts Congress being stuck like Buridan's ass, hesitating between a Panama route and a Nicaragua route for the Atlantic Pacific Canal. Okay, back to having two choices. I'm sure that you and I face this in our younger days. You know, which partner should we go out with? Which job should we go for? And maybe even today, which holiday should we do? Which product should we start? Which website should we have? Which Facebook group should we join? What should we do about the marketing? Decisions, decisions, decisions. I'm a quick start by nature with a fact-find backup. So yes, I want some information, but then I quickly get into action. Sometimes that's hurt me, sometimes it's helped me. But all my suggestion today is that we take that moment and realize that we need to make that decision. Otherwise we end up, as the expression says, half-assed. And that's no good at all, even if it is Buridan's ass. Quick and easy this one, but profound. I'm sure you can take this away and use it in every single area of your life. If you've got any comments, just put them down now. Happy to engage in the dialogue. And in the meantime, I wish you every success in your adventures in life, as you have freedom from everything that may have held you back, and freedom to be, do and have whatever you set your heart and mind upon. I found that's the way forward, you know, is to be that person first, do the things that person does, and then invariably I have the things that person has. I'm sure it works for you too. In fact, it works for everyone. See you on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos, then click to watch the next video. Remember to visit our website at peterthomson.com and download your free copy of my latest book, How to Write Your Business Book in 5 days or less. Until next time, every success.